I'll explain some of the settings here. So here, this is the name that will be used to send the email notification. So just if you want to change it to your organization, you can change here. And you see some of them. So there are more instructions about these in the OKRify help page. Please look at it. Uh, so I'll talk about some of the important ones. The My OKR side window in the hub, in the My OKR, here you can select which one will be the default side window. If you're using Scorecard, you can select Scorecard as the side window, or OKR if you guys are not using KPI Scorecard. And you can do similarly, or select between OKR and KPI for any of the team side windows in the hub. You can also enable KPI, which is set as standard. So the enable OKR weights, basically this is, you can enable weights for each OKR so that the total progress of the team is calculated. Again, this is an optional. If you click it, there will be a weights field for each objective where you can enter weights, and then the total progress of the team will be calculated based on that. You can also disable the confidence if required. This is basically when users are manually updating the KR progress, you can give them the ability to update the date when you are providing. We don't recommend it, but if you want users to able to change the progress update date, then you can do it. So this basically shows the prediction in the trend graph based on just linear scale. So if you don't want to use prediction, you can disable it. The show future period. So this will automatically show any future OKRs in the hub. So basically it adds as a default in the filters, it will add the future periods for a user. So if you go in the hub, you will also see as a default the future period OKRs also. Again, this is based on that. This is strategic pillars. So if you enable this, you can also create strategic pillars. So strategic pillars are basically like focus areas that your organization focuses its strategy on. And this does not have a progress, but you can create OKRs and assign this to these strategic pillars so that you have different focus areas. So I'm going to click update. So now the default settings have changed.